Hi children, welcome to the new academic year. Hope you all are safe and good. Anyway, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 1, page number 9. Take your textbook and open it. Page number 9, chapter name, Seekho. Let us start our lesson. श्रीधर पाठक द्वारा रचित एक सुंदर कविता है सीखो। इस कविता में कवि प्रकृति द्वारा दी गई सीखों के बारे में बताया गया है। And children, you all are coming to the school for learning new things, right? This poet is saying that the nature is giving to many different new knowledge, the same as new qualities through simple ways. Let us see how this poem depicts us. This poem depicts learning through nature. All of you keep your finger on the word, take a pencil, and whenever I am telling the small meanings, you can write down the same time. All of you read this chapter along with me in your mind. Can we start? Yes. फूलों से निध हंसना सीखो, भौरों से निध गाना, फल से लदी डालियों से निध सीखो शीश झुकाना. Once again, फूलों से निध हंसना सीखो, भौरों से निध गाना, फल से लदी डालियों से निध सीखो शीश झुकाना. First line, फूलों से निध हंसना सीखो. Is there any difficult words? I will write the meaning on the board. Fool, it's a common word. Last year also you learned. I know you all know the meaning. What is the meaning? Fool? Yes, flower. Fool. Flower. Next word, nith. Always. Hasna. To smile. In that line, we got new 3 words which are फूल, निध, हंसना. फूल माने क्या है? फूल माने flower. हंसना, हंसना means to smile. निध, always. Flowers always resemble smile. So we know when we sow one flower in the garden, we will be very happy, right? That transmit happiness. Flowers transmit happiness. That is the poet want to say. क्या हमें क्या सिखाते हैं? फूल हमें हंसना सिखाता है. हंसना is a beautiful thing. When you look at anyone, if you are very sad, they will also feel the sadness, right? We need to smile at everyone. We will also, that reflects at you. When you smile, the others will also smile at you. And the next line, bhauro se nid gana. Bhaura makes you to sing. How? You know how to sing? The same way that bhaura. Bhaura kya hai? Bhaura. The bhaura means bhaura bumble bee. What is bumble bee? You heard this word anywhere? But you definitely saw this small insect, I am sure. Because when we saw this big bee, black color bee, it's always coming to the flowers and drinking honey from it. That is making buzz sound. That sound was, that's why that sound makes us to sing. Sometimes when we are sitting simply somewhere, we will feel to sing, right? The same way the bumblebee is always singing and going to the garden. और भौरों से नित गाना, गाना कौन हमें सिखाया? ये भौरा हमें गाना सिखाया है। फल से लदी डालियों से ने सीखो शीश झुकाना। द थर्ड लाइन एंड फोर्थ लाइन मीन्स फल से लदी डालियों से नित सीखो शीश झुकाना। फल से लदी डालियाँ, फल, definitely you know the meaning फल, right? What is the meaning फल? Fruit. Yes, it's fruit. फल से लदी डालियाँ, डालियाँ क्या है? डालियाँ branches, branches. Dahlia means branches. And the meaning of that line, फल से लदी डालियों से ने सीखो शीश झुकाना। शीश, next word शीश। शीश माने क्या है? शीश माने हेड, झुकाना, झुकाना वर्ड मीनिंग to bend. When we need to show the respect to others, we need to bend our head, right? The same way, if a person filled with good qualities and lots of talents, a person filled with good values is generally humble, right? We should show humble to others. When the same way, the plant, that tree has plenty of fruits. Because of the heaviness of the fruits, the branches bending toward the earth. Now you understood the meaning, right? I will read all these 4 lines once again. I will repeat the meaning once again. You just listen here. फूलों से निध हंसना सीखो, भौरों से निध गाना, फल से लदी डालियों से निध सीखो शीश झुकाना. Flowers are always resemble smile and transmit happiness. Bhaura make us to sing. That bumblebee make us to sing. How that learning us how to sing. Fal se ladi daliyan. Indirectly it's saying that when a person is full of talent, he or she should be very humble. That is only meaning from this stanza. Next stanza, we are going to the next stanza. Okay? I will read it once and then we will discuss about the hard words and the meanings. सीख हवा के झोंकों से लो कोमल कोमल बहना, दूध तथा पानी से सीखो मेल जोल से रहना. सीख हवा के झोंकों से लो कोमल कोमल बहना, दूध तथा पानी से सीखो मेल जोल से रहना. हवा के झोंके हमें क्या सीख देते हैं? फर्स्ट वी विल लुक एट द मीनिंग्स. क्या है हवा? हवा विंड और ब्रीज. हवा माने क्या है? विंड और ब्रीज. कोमल, कोमल सॉफ्ट. सीख हवा के झोंके. झोंका, झोंका मीन्स द फ्लो ऑफ blow of the wind. Blow of the wind. सीख हवा के झोंकों से लो कोमल कोमल बहना. क्या सीख हमें देते हैं? हवा हमें क्या सीख देते हैं? कोमल कोमल बहना. We should be very soft natured. Like the gentle wind keeps on moving, we should also flexible like a wind. Like wind. You understood? That's not keep on moving in our life. It's always moving. We never stop anywhere, right? That's a life is also moving forward. That poet is saying that it's just like a breeze. We need to move forward. We should be very soft natured. तू तथा पानी से सीखो मेल जोल से रहना. What we need to learn from milk and water. The first word doodh. What is the meaning doodh? Doodh means milk. Pani. Pani, everybody knows the meaning. I know. Pani. What is the meaning? Yes, water. दूध तथा पानी से सीखो मेल जोल से रहना. They are teaching us a message. मेल जोल से रहना. मेल जोल से means क्या है? मेल जोल से, मेल जोल से रहना. मेल जोल, mingle. Otherwise we can say harmony. Harmony. That means दूध तथा पानी. When we pour water into the milk, just imagine water into the milk, it gets so accustomed. That means it will mix together, then we cannot separate it again, right? The same way we are living in a society, we need to mingle with others. दूध तथा पानी से सीखो मेल जोल से रहना. हमें समाज के साथ मेल जोल कर रहना चाहिए. कवि कहकर इस कविता में कई गुणों के बारे में बताया गया है. पहले हमने देखा फूलों से हम क्या हमें क्या सीख मिलते हैं. हमें यह सीख मिलते हैं हम हंसने का सीख फूलों से ही मिलते हैं. भंवरों से गाने का सीख मिलते हैं. और दूध और पानी से हमें क्या सीख मिलते हैं? मेल जोल से रहने का सीख मिलते हैं. और फलों से लदी डालियों से हमें क्या सीख मिलते हैं? फलों से लदी डालियों से हमें बी हम्बल, very polite to everyone, be humble to others. और इस प्रकार आज का 2 पद्यांश खत्म हुआ. आज का क्लास खत्म हुआ है. नेक्स्ट क्लास we will explain the other 2 stanza. Till then, bye children, take care, have a nice day.